Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to this week's vlog. I hope you're enjoying so far. So I've just gotten back from school. Today I had a CAT, so I just woke up and studied a bit and then nikaenda shule like kufanya the cut. I don't know how to comment about it, like siko sure. So yeah, but I am done with it. So I want to make tea right now. And then I think I'll watch something, maybe YouTube vlogs. I watch vlogs, like lifestyle vlogs a lot. I think I've said this before. Ama I'll watch a movie. I want just to have a break and then I'll study later at night. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoy this vlog and yeah. See me, wallahi. No way, this is not me. The gift niko hivyo sikuita mimi kidogo budget moja mbili hapo. Ningoje. Wow. Siko na plan. Mimi nilikuwa najua sips coffee. Hi guys, say hi to Ola. Yeah, so today is on Thursday, but I'm not going to school today, but I have a lot of things to do. So number one, I want first to study because I have a CAT tomorrow in the morning. So yeah, I just want to like study a bit, and then yeah, look at this tomorrow guys, there's nothing much I can do. So yeah, and then I want to take pictures today, so I'm excited for that part, guys. If you know me very well, you know I love taking pictures. And then I'm planning to bake today because my bread is over and tomorrow is on Friday, and I'm planning to go home for the weekend, so there's no way like naeza buy mkate leo because I can't finish it. So yeah, I'm planning to bake later on today. Today is just going to be a very busy day, and then I'll continue studying at night. And then yeah, I just wanted to update you guys, yeah, on everything that I'm planning to do. Yeah. Have a wonderful day, as wonderful as I am. Nakwaje? Yeah. Hi guys, so I'm off to take pictures right now. Here I've just gone for a natural look, so let's go. I'm so happy. Wow man, I'm so happy. So this is the background, this is the place where we take our photos. Yeah, tushamaliza actually, you'll see them on my IG soon ama later. Bye.